North West London Pathology is made up of 6 hospital settings. Each of those hospitals has got numerous pathology disciplines within it.
My name is Matthew Kent. I'm a Hematology Technical Lead for the multidiscipline automated laboratory based at Charing Cross Hospital. I've always had a fascination of science ever since being at school, and also my parents always worked in NHS, so it's been sort of through my blood really. So currently we're performing about 1,300 full blood counts a day and about 250 coagulation samples. Obviously, being the hub site at Charing Cross, we have a track solution, so in the future the amount of work we're going to be receiving is going to significantly increase, potentially 2-3 times the volume will be processed on the analysers.
My name's Dan Pelling and I'm the Blood Sciences Site Manager at St Mary's Hospital. Over the years I've become more involved with morphology and actually work with a number of international organisations now. At St Mary's, our daily full blood count volume is approximately 800 to 900 samples.
One of the ways automation has improved our laboratory processes is, for example, the bulk input module on the track, which is a big bucket where samples are just loaded straight into, and the track will triage these samples for us instead of us having to batch them up in advance like traditional methods. I'd say that one of the biggest challenges I have right now is cross-training staff between chemistry and hematology. One of the main benefits I see from Alinity is the user interface. The user interface is very clear and concise, and it's a seamless integration between hematology and chemistry.
The Alinity H series has a very similar interface to the Alinity CI series in chemistry, which means that when we recruit to blood sciences posts, our staff can become very familiar very quickly with the interface, and when they move from one discipline to the other, there's that familiarity that really supports easy, good training. One of the benefits we've seen with the Alinity H series is that with regards to storage of reagents, we have a lot more room in the laboratory. It makes the laboratory a much more inviting environment.
Agent management with Alinity H is significantly improved from previous analysers I've used. Specific improvements with reagents is the lock and key mechanism. I myself have experienced putting on wrong reagents on the analyser and involved lots of downtime to rectify the problem. With Alinity H, it's almost impossible to put the reagent on in the wrong position.
The Alinity H series provides additional parameters that we can move forward with investigating and utilising to help support our clinical services.